BPA-free, food-safe HDPE bottle with 28 ounces capacity. Weight: 248 grams. Fill cap for quick and easy refill and no splash. Aerodynamic shrouded straw mount. Cage and computer mount are independently adjustable from the bracket. Aerodynamic, refillable on-the-go front-mounted bottle strategically positions hydration between the rider's arms for a hidden, sleek aerodynamic profile. Integrated computer mount efficiently positions data. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Amazing. Couldn't ask for a better Aero bottle. Install took about 3 minutes. My Aero bars are 10 cm apart center to center and could be about another centimeter closer and still adjust and work. And could be probably 13 to 14 cm apart center to center and still work. The bracket is adjustable. It shipped with everything seen that I needed to make it work perfectly, except I chose to add a camelback mouthpiece which worked well too. There was no rattling or shaking of the bottle. It has a clip on the top that is removable that helps lock it in place. I don't believe I saw that in anyone else's reviews. It may be new. Used it this weekend for Ironman Augusta 70.3 and it was great. For practice or shorter rides, a standard bottle fits in the cage snugly as well. I have a small lightweight basic cycling computer attached to the mount that also worked well.